Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you understand the market. Today we're focusing on ETHUSD, Ethereum against the US dollar. The news surrounding Ethereum this past week has been mixed, with several factors impacting the market. One notable event is the decision by VanEck to close and liquidate its Ethereum strategy ETF, which is listed on the CBOE. This news has caused some concern among investors as it reflects a pullback in institutional interest in the Ethereum market. However, other institutional players, such as BlackRock and Fidelity, have shown continued interest in Ethereum, suggesting that the overall institutional outlook is not entirely negative. Another key development is the increasing attention towards decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DePIN, which are poised to become a major force in the Web3 economy. The potential for DePIN applications to revolutionize Web3 and drive demand for Ethereum is a positive sign. Despite the recent sell-off, the overall sentiment surrounding Ethereum remains cautiously optimistic, with many analysts predicting a potential bottoming of ETH in the next 2 to 4 months. This optimism stems from the belief that Ethereum's fundamental strength, coupled with its technological advancements, will eventually lead to a rebound in price. Now let's take a look at the chart data and see what insights we can glean. Starting with the daily chart, we see a clear downtrend in ETHUSD over the past few weeks. This downtrend is confirmed by the downward sloping trendline that connects the recent highs. The price has been breaking below key support levels, which suggests that the selling pressure is strong. However, it's important to note that the recent rebound from the lows has created a bullish divergence on the RSI indicator. This divergence suggests that the selling momentum may be weakening. The price action in the daily chart indicates that Ethereum is likely to remain volatile in the short term. However, the long-term outlook remains bullish as Ethereum's core fundamentals remain strong. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the price action. The 1-hour chart shows that ETHUSD is currently trading below the 200 moving average, which is a key resistance level. The price has also been struggling to break above the previous swing high, further highlighting the selling pressure. However, the recent bullish divergence in the RSI indicator, which we saw on the daily chart, is also visible on the 1-hour chart. This divergence suggests that the selling momentum may be easing. The 1-hour chart indicates that Ethereum is likely to remain range-bound in the short term. The key price levels to watch in this time frame are the 200 moving average and the previous swing high. If the price breaks above these levels, it could signal a shift in momentum to the upside. On the other hand, if the price breaks below the recent lows, it could signal further downside potential. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see what's happening in the very short term. The 15-minute chart shows that ETHUSD is currently consolidating between the recent highs and lows. This consolidation suggests that the market is indecisive and buyers and sellers are battling for control. The RSI indicator is showing a neutral reading, indicating that neither buying nor selling momentum is dominating. The 15-minute chart indicates that Ethereum is likely to remain volatile in the very short term. The key price levels to watch in this time frame are the recent highs and lows. If the price breaks above the recent highs, it could signal a bullish breakout. On the other hand, if the price breaks below the recent lows, it could signal further downside potential. It's important to note that the 15-minute time frame is very short-term and prone to significant fluctuations. To summarize our analysis, Ethereum is currently facing some headwinds, as indicated by the recent downtrend and breaking of key support levels. However, the bullish divergence in the RSI indicator suggests that the selling momentum may be waning. The key price levels to watch are the 200 moving average on the 1-hour chart and the previous swing high on the 1-hour chart. If the price breaks above these levels, it could signal a shift in momentum to the upside. On the other hand, if the price breaks below the recent lows on the 1-hour chart, it could signal further downside potential. It's important to stay updated on the latest news and market events, as these can significantly impact Ethereum's price.